Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge. And as you guys can see here, we have the Xiaomi's Mi 10i, and today in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of this product and I'll be giving my first impressions of the same. And I bought this product from Amazon in the first sale, that is the Prime Day sale that happened yesterday. I got this phone for just 18,899 rupees. This is the 6GB 128GB variant which I've bought, guys. The color that I've bought is actually midnight black. The reason is I've used a lot of funky colored phones. I've used a lot of fancy colored phones. I had not used any plain and simple colors in a long time. That's why I went for the black variant. The original price is 21,999. I got 1,000 rupees voucher offer, that is the coupon offer, and again 2,000 rupees of ICICI bank card discount, and this phone's price came down to 18,900 rupees, which is a crazy deal in my opinion. Let's straight away go ahead and break the seal of the package and dive into the phone itself. The first thing that we get inside the box is this cardboard package, inside which I'm sure we have the back case and the SIM ejector tool and other things that is provided inside this. And we have the phone over here, guys. As you can see, this is the midnight black color. We have the paperwork, that is the instruction manual and warranty information guide, that is present over here. This is the back case that is provided inside the box. And one thing that I would like to say is that the quality of the back case is really good, because it has a frosted back material that is present over here. It is also having some rough texture that is present on the inner surface, and we have the openings over here, and also for the protection for the charging port is present over here. The USB type A to USB type C charging and data transfer cable that is presented over here. One important thing that comes inside the box along with the phone is this fast charging adapter. As you guys can see, this is the 33 watt fast charger that comes inside the box, which can charge your smartphone Mi 10i from 0 to 100% within an hour, which is very good considering the fact that this has a 4820 milliamp hour battery. So as you guys can see, this is the first look at the midnight black 6GB 128GB variant Xiaomi's Mi 10i, and my first impression of this device is just wow. Just see the gloss that is present on the back glass of this device, guys. Let's take a look at the physical overview of the device before I get overwhelmed by the looks of this device. So it has a 6.67 inch full HD plus display that is present over on the front surface. We have the headphone jack, primary speaker, that is the first speaker of the device. We have the USB type C port. We have the microphone that is present over here. We have the power button which doubles as fingerprint scanner, and we have the volume up and volume down button. We have the cameras at the back, which is a 108 megapixel camera. I'll come to that later. And we have the Mi branding over here. We have the 5G branding and Xiaomi communications. And by the way, this is a made in India device, guys. It is assembled in India basically. So we have the hybrid SIM card slot that is present over here. We have the secondary noise cancellation microphone and the IR blaster, and also we have the notification LED that is present on this surface of the phone. And the secondary speaker or the earphone that is present over here on the top surface doubles as a stereo speaker setup, which provides some exceptional audio quality for the Mi 10i. And one important thing is this device is protected by a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the front and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 on the back surface as well. And as you can see, the material of the device is extremely glossy, and I'm damn sure it will take up a lot of fingerprints on the device. Since it is glass on both the surfaces, I will actually recommend to use a back case which is provided inside the box. This device actually comes with a pre-applied screen protector out of the box. This is how the phone looks when it fits inside the back case. It is having a very snugly fit, guys, and since it has a large camera bump, when we place it over on the table with the help of the case, it does not actually wobble. Xiaomi, while we are setting up a device which is running on MIUI, no matter what device, it may be a 10,000 rupees Redmi 9 Power or it may be a 50,000 rupees Xiaomi Mi 10, actually tries to push you with all these kind of options that you need to precisely read and turn off while setting up your device. The first important thing that you need to turn it off is the user experience program. Location, I do not actually turn it on, only I give it to apps which need the location. Send diagnostic data, automatically just turn it off. And this culprit that is present over here, personalized ads, just turn off personalized ads, guys. Glance for me is also another thing which I do not personally like. And while we are setting up, we also got this get apps thing that is present over here. I'll actually go ahead and skip this step. As you guys can see, the device Mi 10i has been booted successfully. Let's first talk about the display of this device. It is a 6.67 inches full HD with a resolution of 2400 x 1080, 450 nits of brightness, guys. And this device actually is a HDR10 plus certified display. It can play HDR content on YouTube, on Amazon Prime Video, and on Netflix platforms easily. And this device has a refresh rate of 120 Hz, which means it can refresh at 120 times in a single second. And it also has a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, which is insane in my opinion. This device device has an intelligent adaptive sync display, which means it can automatically, based on the content or based on the thing that is being displayed on the display, it can adjust the screen refresh rate among 6 different display levels, which was first introduced on Mi 10T and the Mi 10T Pro. And this device is actually having LCD panel on the front, which is an IPS LCD panel. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the software that is present on this device. So this device is running on Xiaomi's own MIUI 12 software, which is based on the Android 10. One thing that I felt as a bummer is that even in 2021, this device has not come with Android 11 out of the box, and also it has a tons and tons of bloatwares. As you guys can see, this is a Google's top tier range of smartphones. Hence, it comes with out of the box Google's default applications as for the basic smartphone activities such as calling. It has Google Dialer. As you can see, it has Google Dialer for calling purposes. It has the Google Message for messaging purposes, as you can see, and it has Google Chrome as the default browser. Google Maps app, Google Assistant, Google Files app is present, Gmail, Google Pay, Google One, Google. As you can see, it has Android 10, and the security patch is November 1st security patch. Let's go ahead and check the MIUI version. It is running on MIUI 12.0.3.0 stable, and right after I booted the phone, I got a MIUI 12.0.4 update for the Xiaomi Mi 10i, and it says it has December security patch. Some optimization and improvements has been made. Out of the 128 GB, we have 18 GB occupied. That means 110 GB of space is free in this device. Now let's talk about the camera of this device, which is currently the unique selling point or the USP of this device. As you can see, this is the default camera interface of Xiaomi, guys. I don't need to explain all these features because you guys already would be knowing. Now let's talk about the hardware of the camera. It is a 108 megapixel Samsung HM2 ISOCELL bright sensor. This is the 108 megapixel sensor, which has an aperture of f1.8. It actually produces 9:1 pixel binning, guys, with the help of which it gives some amazing results in my opinion. And it has an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 2 megapixel macro lens, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. And as you can see on the back surface, it mentions built for 5G. We have a tons and tons of modes that is present, and we have the most important 108 megapixel camera mode as well. Well, I'm shooting this video in the night time. I'll be bringing a dedicated camera review for this device, guys. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you have to hit that subscribe button right now. Now I'll be just presenting you guys with some of the camera samples of this device, which will be like a very brief camera samples, not the detailed ones.
Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
So as you guys just saw, those were the camera samples taken from the Xiaomi's Mi 10i. When we talk about the video recording capabilities, as you can see, it can record up to 4K 30 FPS, whereas this processor can support 4K 60 FPS. The 108 megapixel mode that is present can take some exceptional photos. It will take a couple of seconds to process the photo, which is fine considering this has a Snapdragon 750G. Well, I did not talk about the performance of this device. This device is actually a very good mid-range device, guys. It is an upper mid-range device. It is powered by the Snapdragon 750G processor, and it is a 5G enabled processor. It has the Qualcomm's X52 modem for the 5G support, and it also supports two important 5G bands, that is the N77 and N78 5G bands are supported. It comes under the sub-6 5G category and not the millimeter wave. I'll actually go ahead and try to play a HDR video to show you guys the quality of the screen, and also later in the next clip I'll be showing you guys the quality of the speakers. As you guys can see, it can play back 1080p 60 FPS and HDR in YouTube, guys, and also it can play back HDR on other OTT platforms as well, and the quality of the display actually feeling is very good.
Evolution. This is the future. Evolution.
This device has a 120 Hz refresh rate display, and the setting of which can be seen in the display over here in the settings. And just go to refresh rate that is present over here. As you can see, currently it will be set at 60 Hz, and even at 60 Hz I am feeling that the device is already smooth and fast. And now let's go ahead and set the refresh rate to 120 Hz. Go back and let's see how is the quality of the display improved, and it feels really smooth, guys. Yes, I can see the difference straight away. So guys, next let's go ahead and test the quality of the speakers on this device. So as you guys just saw, the stereo speaker quality on this device is extremely brilliant in my opinion, guys. So guys, that's it for this quick unboxing and first impressions of this device. I'm yet to put my primary SIM into that phone, and also I need to set up a lot of things into my device, and I'll be making a lot of customizations as well. And one important thing is, if you guys have not subscribed to the channel, you have to hit that subscribe button right now, because we'll be bringing at least 15 to 20 videos on the Mi 10i, and also I'll be comparing this device with a lot of device in this price range. Just let me know in the comment section below what are the kind of videos you want to watch for the Xiaomi Mi 10i. So that's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting content ahead. Thank you for watching, guys.